Hello students, exercise 1.3, sixth problem. A function is defined by f of x is equal to 2x minus 3. Here we have four subdivisions, so let's find out one by one, right? The first subdivision is find f of 0 plus f of 1 divided by 2. So we have to find out this value, right? So what we have to do now? First we have to find out these two values, that is f of 0 and f of 1. After that we have to substitute and find out this value, right? So what is f of 0? F of 0 is nothing but we have to substitute 0 in the place of x in this equation, that is f of x, right? So what is that equation? 2x minus 3. So in the place of x I have to substitute 0. Therefore 2 into 0 minus 3. What is 2 into 0? 0 minus 3. 0 minus 3 is minus 3, right? Therefore the f of 0 value is minus 3. Next one is f of 1. F of 1 means we have to substitute 1 in the place of x in this equation, that is f of x. So 2 into, in the place of x I have to substitute 1, so 1 minus 3. What is 2 into 1? 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Therefore f of 1 is equal to minus 1. So now we have to substitute these two values in this equation to find out this whole thing. So f of 0 plus f of 1 divided by 2. What is f of 0? Minus 3. Substitute minus 3 in the place of f of 0. Plus f of 1. What is f of 1? Minus 1. So minus 1 divided by 2. Minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4 divided by 2. So if we cancel, it is minus 2. Therefore, f of 0 plus f of 1 divided by 2 is equal to minus 2. This is the first subdivision. Second subdivision. Find x such that f of x is equal to 0. So what is f of x given in the question? That is 2x plus 3. Okay. F of x is 2x minus 3. So what? Find x. So we have to find out x such that f of x is equal to 0, which means this value is 0. So I have to substitute 0 in the place of f of x because it is given in the question, right? F of x is equal to 0. So I have to substitute 0 in the place of f of x is here. So I substitute 0 here. So 0 is equal to 2x minus 3. So rearrange. So 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Right? Now we have to find out the value for x. It is very simple, right? We know how to find the value for x. 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So take this minus 3 to the next side. It becomes plus 3. So minus 3 to the side it becomes plus 3. So 2x is equal to 3. So 2 is in multiplication. So if we take this 2 to the next side it becomes division. Therefore x is equal to 3 divided by 2. So when f of x is equal to 0, what is the value of x? It is 3 by 2, right? This is the second subdivision. Third subdivision, it is also same. Find x such that f of x is equal to x. In the previous subdivision, we substitute 0 in the place of f of x. Now we are going to substitute x in the place of f of x. So what is f of x equation? F of x is equal to 2x minus 3. So we are going to substitute x in the place of f of x. So I substitute x in the place of f of x is equal to 2x minus 3. Now rearrange. 2x minus 3 is equal to x. Right? Now we have to find the value of x. So take this x to this side. It becomes minus x. Take this 3 to this side. It becomes plus 3. Right? So 2x minus x is equal to 3. What is 2x minus x? X is equal to 3. Therefore, what is the value of x here? 3. So we found out the value of x. That is 3. So when f of x is equal to x, the value of x is 3. Right? Okay. Now the next one. Last one. Fourth subdivision. Find x such that f of x is equal to f of 1 minus x. So this is little tricky. So in our previous two subdivisions, right, f of x is equal to 0, f of x is equal to x. We can directly substitute the value. So in the place of f of x, we have substitute 0 and x. But here, f of x is equal to f of 1 minus x. This is also a function. So first we have to find the value of this f of 1 minus x and then we have to substitute this value. Right? So first find out f of 1 minus x value. How to find f of 1 minus x value? We have to substitute 1 minus x in the place of x in this equation in f of x. Right? So this is f of x, 2x minus 3. So we have to substitute 1 minus x in the place of x. So 2 into 1 minus x minus 3. So this 2 is common for this two terms, so multiply inside. So 2 into 1 is 2. 2 into minus x is minus 2x minus 3. What is 2 minus 3? Minus 1. So this minus 2x and 2 minus 3 is minus 1. So this is the value of f of 1 minus x. Now we have to do the same method we have done for the previous two subdivisions. F of x is equal to f of 1 minus x. So we have to substitute f of 1 minus x value in the place of f of x here. So we found out the value, right? What is the value? Minus 2x minus 1. So we are going to substitute this f of 1 minus x value in the place of f of x. So in the place of f of x, I substitute this value, that is minus 2x minus 1 is equal to 2x minus 3. Now the same way, we have to find the value of x. So let's take the variables one side and the constants one side. So this 2x, take this 2x to this side, it becomes minus 2x. Take this 1 to this side, it becomes plus 1. Minus 2x is minus 4x. Minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. So let's, we have minus sign in both the sides, so let's cancel. Therefore 4x is equal to 2. So this 4 is in multiplication. If we take this to next side, it becomes division. So 2 divided by 4. So if we cancel 2 1 times, 2 2 times. Therefore the value of x is 1 by 2, right? The only difference, right, is in our previous two subdivisions, f of x is 0 and f of x is x. So we directly substitute this 0 and x in the place of f of x here, and we found out the value for x. But here the question is f of x is equal to f of 1 minus x, which means this f of 1 minus x is also a function. So first we have to find out this value and then we have to substitute in the place of f of x. If it is 1, right, if it is 1, for example, we can directly substitute 1 in the place of this f of x and find out the value of x. But since it is a function, first we have to find out this f of 1 minus x value and then we have to proceed further, right? So that's all about this problem. Thank you.